I'm going to show you how you can recover or restore your WhatsApp chat without backup. Now, the first step is that you will need to go to your Android and then you will go to your file explorer. You can go to an external file explorer if you want. You can download it if you want. So you can download an external file explorer like this. Some of the one I recommend is like CX file explorer. You can do that. But I find that the native file explorer that's included on Windows is usually fine enough, right? So if you want to download an external one, you can, but I found the normal file manager on Android is fine enough. Now, once you're on the normal file manager, you just have to scroll down. You want to go ahead and find Android like this. On here, you want to go ahead and find media. Now, on media, you want to scroll down until you find .com.whatsapp. On .com.whatsapp, you want to go ahead and go to WhatsApp. On here, you want to go to databases. Now, on databases, this is all of the current WhatsApp backup that you have right now, right? And you want to take the latest one. So my latest one is right here, right? And then you want to change the name to be this msksstore.db.grip14. You see, I can already change the name here, right? So just change the name from this to this, right? So mkeystore.db.grip14. After that, you will need to download an older version of WhatsApp that I'm going to link on the description down below or on the pinned comment down below. After that, you just have to sign in to WhatsApp like this. Tap on agree and continue. And you just have to enter in your phone number. And then there should be an option to back up from local files.